morning student. Okay. Exercise number 1.1, chapter rational numbers. Question number 7. Evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. You have to find this value after rearrangement. Now look at the board. 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. Here you have to arrange the like terms. Okay, here these are the like terms or these two are the like terms. You have to arrange this one. 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. Okay, now we arrange the like terms. Now simplify this one. 3 by 5 plus into minus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus into minus minus 2 by 3. Now take the denominator common. Now 3 minus 2 plus, here 3 is common, 7 minus 2. How much is it? 3 minus 2, 1 by 5 plus 5 by 3. Now take the LCM of these two. The LCM of 5 and 3 is 5 ones are 5, 3 remain as it is, 3 ones are 3. LCM is 15. Okay, in 5 table 15 will come. Okay, where do we get the 15 in 5 table? 3 5s are very good. Means 1 by 15 into multiply or divide by 3 plus 5 by 3. In 3 table, okay, where do we get the 15? 3 5s are 15. Means here you have to multiply or divide by 5. 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 5 5s are 25 by 3 5s are 15. Now we make the denominator as 15 LCM. Okay, take the denominator common 15. 3 plus 25. 3 plus 25 equal to 28 by 15. Note down this one. Next question. Question number 8. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. Subtract minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. Now first one. Subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. It means 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Okay, you have to subtract 3 by 4 from 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Here the denominator is different. Now take the LCM of these two. Okay, the LCM is 12. In 3 table 12 will come. In 3 4s are 12. Means you have to multiply or divide. Here in 4 table 12 will come. In 4 3s are 12. 1 4s are 4, 3 4s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Means denominator is common. Take denominator common. 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 how much? Minus 5 by 12. This is the answer. Now second one. Okay. Subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. Okay, it means 2 minus 32 by 13. Okay, 2 minus 32 by 13. Minus into minus plus. This is 2 by 1 plus 32 by 13. Make the denominator as 13. In 1 table 13 will come. In 13 ones are 13. Means multiply or divide by 13 here. Now 12 13s are 26 by 13 plus 32 by 13. Then what do you get this one? Take 13 common. 26 plus 32. 26 plus 32. 2 plus 6. 8, 5. 58 by 13. Okay. This is our answer. Now do this one as homework. Okay. Now note down. Now question number 9 and 10. Okay, first we will do the question number 9, then we will do the question number 10. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? We have to find the number. Okay, if you add the required number to this one, then you will get the minus 3 by 2. Okay, look at the book. Let x be the required number. Okay, condition is x minus 5 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now remove this one, minus 5 by 8 from left side. Okay, the sign should be changed. Remove or transpose. Minus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 8. Now here the LCM is 8. Okay, in 2 table, where do we 8 come? 2 4s are. Means x is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 4 by 4 plus. In 8 table, 1 1s are. 3 4s are 12. 12 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Then x is equal to 8 should be common. Minus 12 plus 5. Minus 12 plus 5 is nothing but minus 7 by 8. Therefore, the required number is minus 7 by 8. Similarly, you have to solve this one also. Now check this one. Solution. Okay, the number of the sum of two rational numbers. Sum means you have to add two rational numbers. If you add two rational numbers, that is equal to 8. If one of the number is given, means one number is given, find the other number. Let x be the other number. Already one number is given. Given number is minus 5 by 6. Condition. What is the condition? Minus 5 by 6 plus x is equal to 8. Now remove this one. Okay. If you remove minus 5 by 6 from the left side, the sign should be changed. Remove or transpose. If you transpose this one from left side, it becomes plus 5 by 6. Here, this is 1. Okay. Now take the LCM of 1 and 6. You will get the 6 only. In one table, 6 will come. Where do we get the 6? 1 6 and 6. Means multiply or divide by 6. Then here in 6, 1 1s are 8 6 are 48. 1 6 are 6 plus 5 1s are 5 by 6. Then x is equal to 6. Take 6 common because denominator is common. 48 plus 5. 48 plus 5, 53 by 6. This is our required answer. Then x is equal to 53 by 6. This is our required answer. Note on this too. Question number 11. Okay, is subtraction associated in rational numbers? Explain with an example. Okay, in our previous classes we already learned this one. Okay. Now answer is no. Subtraction is not associative in rational numbers. Okay. Now take the example. Suppose a is equal to 3 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 2, c is equal to, this is 2 by 2, this is 1 by 2. Okay. Associative property. What is associative property? A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus, or in subtraction you have to take subtract sign. Okay. Now LHS. LHS is a minus b minus c. What is a here? 3 by 2 minus 2 by 2. by 2. Now denominator is common, take 2, 3 minus 2 minus 1 by 2. Now 3 minus 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It is 0. LHS is 0. Now RHS. What is RHS here? A minus B minus C. What is A here? 3 by 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now 3 by 2 minus, okay, here 2. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Now subtract this 2 1. Denominator is common. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 how much? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Then RHS is 1. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. From this we can understand that, okay, subtraction is not associated in rational number. Now come to the next question. Verify that minus into minus x is equal to x. Okay, we know that this one. Minus into minus plus only. Okay, LHS. You have to take first one, x is equal to 2 by 15. Okay, LHS. What is LHS here? Minus of minus x. In place of x you have to take 12. Sorry, 2 by 15. Minus into minus plus 2 by 15. Then RHS. What is RHS? X only. X is 2 by 15. This one LHS is equal to RHS. Verify. Now this one, next one, second one. For x is equal to minus 13 by 7. Then LHS is minus of minus x. In place of x, minus 13 you have to take. Now this one, minus into minus plus 13 by 7. Plus into minus 13 by 17. Now RHS. X. What is x here? Minus 13 by 17. From this LHS is equal to RHS. Verify. Now come to the next question. Write the sets of numbers which do not have additive inverse. Additive inverse means a plus 0. Okay, in natural numbers you don't have 0. Then it is the natural numbers. Natural numbers does not satisfy the additive identity. Okay, a plus 0 is equal to a. Okay, 0 is not present in natural numbers. Next, the rational number that does not have any reciprocal. 0 does not have any reciprocal. The reciprocal of any negative rational number also negative rational number. Negative rational. Because it is a reciprocal only. Now we will complete the exercise 1.1 class 8 first chapter. Copy this.